Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need the essentials first: a supported device, an active internet connection, and account credentials. Open Nanlink and tap Sign Up or Sign In, choose email, phone, or single sign-on to speed onboarding. Enter verification code when prompted and set a secure passcode. Once done, grant camera, microphone, and notification permissions so core features work. Make sure to toggle background updates if you want push alerts. This gets you past initial gates and into the app quickly, ready to create or join links. Now you create a Nanlink. Tap New Link and pick the type: meeting, screen share, or file transfer, then name it. Adjust access. Choose public, invite only, or require a passcode, and set expiration 30 minutes, 24 hours custom. Add participants from contacts or paste emails. Attach files up to the plan limit. Configure default audio/video and recording options so sessions behave consistently. Once configured, preview settings and hit Create. Nanlink will generate a shareable URL and QR. To join, tap a link or scan the QR code. You'll land in a preview to test mic and camera so you don't interrupt others. As host, use the control bar to mute participants, remove users, start recording, or end the link for everyone. For recurring links, reuse the same settings and update the guest list. If something goes wrong, first retry join, then switch Wi-Fi to cellular or vice versa, force close and reopen the app. Or clear cache. These fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.